What's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 3. Now these have quite a few features over the AirPods Pro 2 and add a nice improvement on some areas. Things like the battery life have gotten a nice 3-hour bump from 5 hours up to 8 hours on these models, and they have things like live translation and even heart rate sensing built in. And they also have improved noise cancellation with a slightly different design, so let's take a look at all this. Now opening this up, we've got a couple pull tabs over here. And just like that, we were ready to go. There's not many more things on the packaging itself. It's pretty bland here, except for some Apple logos and AirPods himself. All right, so you can see we've got some paperwork over here. I'm guessing we're not going to get a sticker. Nope, we don't get any of that. Just a quick start guide to get them set up. That's fine. And then some other regulatory paperwork. We'll shove that to the side. All right, so now that we've got the little paperwork out of the way, designed by Apple in California, nothing else, no stickers this time sadly, we've got the AirPods themselves that we can pull up with this little pull tab, and we're still using that kind of papery material to encase these. It feels more like a styrofoam microfiber actually underneath here, which is kind of interesting. I couldn't just rip it apart like I normally can with like the cables and stuff that you get included. You have to peel this apart a little bit more carefully. There we go, we've got that out. And here they are. Now we'll set that aside for a moment and see if we get anything else. It looks like we might have some extra earbud tips here, and there's our QR code that probably show you how to install them. Yep, that's what these look like over here. It shows you how to take these on and off. And it's kind of an interesting case for them. Oh, there we go. They just snap open like that. And now you have all of your different sizes, ranging from extra small to large. Now these are designed to swap into the tips of the AirPods, so then you can get a better fit and a better seal in your ears, so then they actually stick in pretty well, and at the same time improve the noise canceling and sound quality. And on the AirPods Pro 3, I believe these also come with a little bit of foam or something inside of them that are supposed to be helping with the sound deadening. I can't exactly see it from here, but maybe it's inside of this little tube, because it seems a little bit thicker than some earbuds. And now these are the AirPods Pro 3. So they have a little lanyard on the side, just like the AirPods Pro 2 did, as well as USB-C and a speaker. But also, look at this new LED. Instead of a cutout, they have now just integrated it below the case, so it's kind of hard to see now that it's on. But as you can see, this is about the size of the case in the palm of my hand. It's a fair bit larger than the AirPods 3 and the AirPods 4 will be. So for example, these are my AirPods 3 that I've been using for about 3 or 4 years now. And they've got still the old Lightning over there, no lanyard, no speaker for Find My on the case, and they're a fair bit smaller for sure. In height, they're pretty similar, but in the actual width and the hand feel, these are definitely a lot smaller and more pocketable, and these are definitely a little bit bigger if you're going to carry these around all day. And now this is the actual design of the AirPods Pro 3 themselves. You can see they're kind of twisted and contorted a little bit to fit better in your ear and for supposed better noise isolation and noise cancellation. Except not everybody seems to have a good time getting a good fit with these compared to last year's AirPods Pro 2. So it might be something worth considering to go into an Apple store and make sure that these actually fit in your ears well before going and buying them. You can test them out in person, and they'll let you even swap out the tips of the earbuds. That's what I did before picking these up. So I was able to make sure that I get a good fit with these. And you can take these off just by kind of snapping off here and pulling there, and then you can see that's your speaker and driver underneath. And then these just kind of magnetically kind of clip into place too. Otherwise, these are pretty standard for AirPods with the mics down by the stem and all the regular stuff that you'd normally see. And somewhere in here are the heart rate monitors. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but it's one of these sensors around it. And that will allow you to see your heart rate while you're working out and connect that data back to your phone. I think that's awesome if you're somebody that doesn't wear an Apple Watch all day. And so then that way you can still go and get heart rate data and see that after your workout, but you don't have to wear anything on your wrist. And there's 2 more other cool modes with these, one of them being live translation, where it can on the spot translate somebody else's voice and your voice. So I want to try that in a separate video at some point. I'm not exactly sure how well that would work, and also if it's a very practical thing to be using, so I want to go and get a good test for it out in the real world. And lastly, these have a hearing protection mode in case you're at a loud concert or somewhere where it's really noisy and you want to still hear the environment around you, but you don't need it cranked up to the max and setting off your Apple Watch, for example, with loud decibel warnings. But for the most part, that's it with these. There's no button on the case back here, and for the most part, they've just kind of streamlined the overall design of these, as well as with the AirPods here, just refining them to get better sound quality out of them and better noise cancellation. But again, make sure that these actually fit your ears and go and test them out in person at an Apple store before going and picking these up. That's all I have today for this video on the AirPods Pro 3. I'll be testing them out a little bit more in the coming weeks, and so expect more videos coming out, especially about the live translation. I'm really curious to see how that's going to play out. And lastly, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to more tech content. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.